A very good morning to one and all present here. Once again, we welcome you all, and we have assembled here for today's session, Content and Time Management, which will be conducted by one of our faculty, Mrs. Rinki Mahato, who is the Science Faculty of Srinath Public School. I welcome you, ma'am. Please take over.
Thank you so much, Praveen ma'am. A very warm good morning, everyone. So today's topic is content and time management. I hope you all are familiar with this topic. Okay, this word. This is not unfamiliar. It's not a new word that you don't know about this. Content. Every day we all are coming here with a good content to deliver in front of the student. So I just want to one question before beginning this session. Whenever you hear this word, content and time management, what comes in your mind? Yes, sir.
The content that, the syllabus of the content that what we hear, that will finish with the time.
Or anyone? Every day we all are dealing with this content and time management. We are managing our content every day. We are managing our time every day. That's why we are here. Why we are coming to this school? We are coming to this school to deliver the good content to the student. Okay. So yes, Anita will see one.
Whatever we are planning regarding our syllabus or curriculum or whatever we are planning for the class, that will be our content in school, and how we will manage it, that will be the time management.
Yes, very good. Yes, every day we are managing our content. So, this is the topic. So, today's topic, content and time management, the objectives of these trainings are: the first one, understand content and time management, how to manage your content, various steps for managing content, what is the purpose of time management, what is the need for time management, different types of time management tips, classroom time management, advantage of time management, disadvantage of time management, and the last one I will give you some suggestion to improve the time management. So these are the objective of today's training. What is content management? This occurs when teachers manage space, time, materials, the movement of people and lesson as a part of curriculum transition. It includes the lesson planning, organization and structure of the class. This is the definition of content management. See, actually it's totally teacher responsibility. Okay, how she or he can arrange his or her content to deliver in front of the student. Okay, it's totally depend upon the teacher. If he will prepare or if she will prepare very well, if she will or he will plan very well, so we will give a good content in front of the student and they will get a proper knowledge about any topic, any subject. Every teacher having their own subject, their different subject, and they having their own style, their own teaching strategies. Their contents are different, their plannings are different, their preparation are different. So basically we have to manage the space, time, different materials. As the subjects are different, the teachers they are using the different teaching aids, different teaching strategies. These are not same for the every subject. Like I am taking science, so I usually try to demonstrate something so that the topic will be clear in front of the student. For the English or Hindi subject, I think storytelling or role play method, these are the things that teachers use in front of the student so that the story will be clear. Okay, the story will be in their mind. They will not turn the papers and they will see, okay, क्या the story में कौन सा character था? No need to do, because the teacher will stand some student, they will tell you will play this role, you will play that role. So everything in their mind. Okay, so social science teachers, the maths teacher, their teaching strategies are different. They are managing their different materials. Movement of lesson plans is also including in the content management, because every day we are planning our lesson. Okay, every day Every day before coming to the school, we are planning our lesson. Yes, now look at this picture. This is a picture of one classroom. I think the words are not visible, but if anybody can read this line, or anybody, if you can see the screen and if you will tell me what you can observe from this picture. So, anyone?
I'm sure my lecture has made you think. And one child, in that child is thinking about what is it. Yes, the question mark is there, exclamation marks is there. So he is confused what ma'am is delivering.
Or anyone? Because there are 5-6 students and their situations are different.
Someone is bored. Someone is being bored.
Someone is being bored. Okay, next one.
Some students are having question in their mind.
Yes, some students they have some question in their mind. Or
Some are confused.
some are confused. So this is the actual classroom. Every day we are coming inside the classroom with a new content that we will deliver inside the classroom. But actually what happened? When we are entering, we are full confident that what we are going to deliver inside the classroom, it's okay. I'm 100% perfect. Every teacher, they are planning perfectly and that's why they think I'm perfect. Whatever I'm going to deliver inside the classroom, that is good, that is best. Not good, that is best. But actually what happened? Student mind. You will change your class. You can take rest for 5 minutes. But the student, what about the student? One is teacher will leave the class, another teacher will come inside the class within a 1 minute. So see the situation of the student. So it's teacher responsibility when you will make your content, make it such a way that whenever you will enter in your classroom, you will not see these types of situation in your classroom. Because here, one student who is sitting in the front of the bench, what is it written? I am going to tell you. The first student, I am stop listening after 5 minutes. One student, the triple Z you can see, he is sleeping. What a bore. Sometimes it's happened with children. Because every day we are dealing, we know that what is the situation inside the classroom. Every day we are dealing with this. Every time it's not that we will enter inside the classroom and the student will be ready to grab all these things, whatever you are going to give. It's not like this, okay? So, content management is teacher responsibility. Make your content very effectively, very well. Plan it very well so that whenever you will enter in your classroom, you will not see this types of situation. Okay? Because every time we are confident that whatever we are going to deliver is okay. हम बेस्ट है, हम जो दे रहे हैं बच्चे वो समझेंगे, हमें पूरा कॉन्फिडेंट रहता है, तभी तो हम पूरे 40 मिनट क्लास लेके निकल जाते हैं, ठीक है? But actually classroom situation we have to understand, and according to this we have to make our content. According to this we have to modify our content so that we will not see this type of situation. Because if this situation will create in your class, you have to understand that nobody will listen you. They will fight with each other. They will throw something inside the classroom. That means they will create a disturbance inside the classroom. And in this situation, you are not able to deliver your content very well when anybody will disturb you. So, I hope we all are whenever we are coming, we are full of confidence and we will never create this type of situation in our class. Okay, so the next one. How to manage your content? According to CBSE training, how you will manage your content? First thing is make yourself a better teacher. We all are the teacher. You know what is the meaning of teacher. But anybody can tell me what is better teacher? Better teacher क्या है? हम सुनते हैं ना वो टीचर बहुत अच्छी है, वो टीचर बहुत अच्छी से एक्सप्लेन करती है, ठीक है? वो टीचर तो बस क्लास में हम लोग इंतजार करते हैं कि when she will come and when she will give his or her lesson. We all are waiting for this teacher. So what is better teacher? better. This word, I don't think it's a very tough word. Yes, Diksha ma'am.
A better teacher, we can say that she is very clear about the class, that what she is going to deliver. She never starts the class directly. She first interacts with the students. She starts the class with some activity according to the topic. So she is very clear about the class, that what she is going to deliver. So that's why this makes the class so interesting, that when the teacher enters the class, now students will think, yes, now today what is something different in our class.
Yes.
What we are going to
Yes.
study.
Because see, we all are graduate, we all having so many degrees. We can teach, like ABCD, you know, ABCD anybody can dance. So those who are having graduate degree or a master degree, everybody can teach. But how we will manage our content, it's teacher know how. Anybody तो कोई भी कर सकता है. Everything we can do. Like Bharati dance सब कर सकते हैं. Okay, but classical dance, hip hop dance, for this we need practice. So similarly, to become a better teacher, we need to do practice regularly, every day. Whenever you are entering in your class, don't think ये topic तो बहुत easy है. I'm going to do this standard 5 and I qualified MSc. तो मुझे पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. No, don't do these types of work. Every day, at least for 1 hour, for half an hour, prepare your plan and then enter your class. Better teacher doesn't mean that you having so many degrees and you are able to teach. You have to prepare, you have to plan, and that is the reason we all are completing our B.Ed and now we all are here. ठीक है? स्कूल में B.Ed टीचर की रिक्वायरमेंट क्यों होती है? They all are trained. They know the children's psychology. They know about the child's mental situation. They know now the child is doing this work. That means what is inside his or her mind. वो क्या सोच रहा है, क्या कर रहा है, क्यों बदमाशी कर रहा है, वो हमें पता होता है. Because we are qualified B.Ed. इस B.Ed में हमें बहुत सारी ट्रेनिंग्स कराई जाती हैं. So that how we can teach. CBSE training tells that make yourself better teacher. That means plan every day before entering in your class. Without plan, never try to enter in your class. This is the better teacher. Boost student performance and achievements. The line's meaning.
Encourage them. You have to
Yes.
motivate them.
When you are entering inside a classroom, you should clear what you are going to teach, how to teach, when to teach, why to teach. It should be clear. Boost your student every time so that they can achieve their goal. So a teacher should clear that what we are going to teach, how to teach the content. Everything should be clear. Make the day go faster. Make the day go faster. That means every time we have to plan more. More than, suppose that if I having 40 minutes, I will complete my within a 40 minutes. If I will complete 2 topics, so I have to plan for 3 topics. So that if may be possible, the classroom situation is very good. Okay, every student are sitting in a good position. They are listening to me. It may be possible within a 30 minutes I will finish my topic. So the rest 10 minutes what I will do? So the rest 10 minutes I can utilize if I will prepare the next topic. So every time prepare more. Whenever you are entering your class, if you can finish 2 topics, prepare for 3 topics. If you can finish 3 topics within a 40 minutes, so prepare yourself for 4 topics. So that you will never waste your time. Okay. The next one is minimize classroom discipline issues. When the discipline issues are occur, only then our content will not go. We never think about this, why the students are shouting, why the students are throwing pencil and eraser from here to there. When your content will not good, when you are not prepared for the topics, the discipline issues will be occur in your classroom. So to remove this discipline, we have to prepare. I am telling you one by the one word that we have to prepare. We have to prepare. Because contents are, we are familiar with the content, but every time we should change our teaching style. हमेशा बस बुक खोल के बच्चों के सामने आ जाना, इट्स नॉट, बच्चे को पता है मैम आएगी बुक खोलेगी बताएगी बुक में तो सब कुछ है, व्हाट इज आवर रोल, हमारा क्या रोल है, उसी बुक को हम भी रीड कर दें, द सेम थिंग, नो, आवर रोल दैट वी हैव टू चेंज आवर टीचिंग स्ट्रेटजीज every time we have to change, so that the teacher, so that the student will every time ready that okay ma'am is coming inside the classroom, definitely ma'am will do the new experiment, ma'am will show us the new activity, or they will keep quiet, वो कभी डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे क्लास में, वो शांति से बैठे रहेंगे और आपको सुनेंगे. So we are the teacher, we can make our classroom well disciplined classroom, make you confident in what you do. This is the one major thing, confidence inside the student also, inside the teacher also. Sometimes it's happen, you are teaching something and the student will stand, ma'am I have some problem, okay, and the problem that the student will ask from you, you having a little bit problem, अरे ये तो मैंने देखा था थोड़ा सा इसका कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, होता है ऐसा कभी कभी कि हम उस चीज़ से फैमिलियर तो रहते हैं बट बहुत दिनों से नहीं पढ़ने के कारण वो हमारे माइंड से स्किप कर जाता है. That situation usually teachers what they are doing, okay sit next class I will tell you, okay sit next class I will explain you. Why we are using this word? The reason is that we are not pre-planning about our topic. That is the reason. So be confident when you are entering in your classroom. जब भी आप क्लासरूम में एंटर करो, you should confident. If you will not confident, how the student will listen you? And be confident. What I am teaching, it's good, it's bad. जो मैं वे यूज कर रही हूँ, that is also good. So be confident. Every time we should be confident whenever we are entering in our classroom. Next, help earn the respect of your peers and administration. See, if you will give more time, if you will work for more time in any school, inside your classroom also, so everybody will like you. Teachers will, your colleague will like you, your student will like you, because sometimes it's happen कि कुछ टीचर ऐसे होते हैं ना, वो परेशान रहते हैं, क्यों? सिलेबस खत्म करने के. So they will ask from the another teacher, आपका सिलेबस कंप्लीट हो गया तो will you give me your period? I have to finish my work. So student like this types of teacher because student are free from fear. उनको कोई डर नहीं रहता है, उनको पता है कि टीचर आएंगे और उनका सब्जेक्ट, उनका टॉपिक फिनिश जरूर करेंगे. So everybody will like you if you will, and everybody will respect you if you will complete your work, or if you will give little bit extra time for any work. किसी भी काम के लिए थोड़ा सा extra time. If you will spend in school, if you will spend in your classroom, so teachers, peers, parents, everybody will give you respect. These are the few steps by which you can manage your content. The first one is content goals. Content goals, that means the aim and objective. It should be clear. If I am going to teach, suppose that metal and non-metal inside my classroom, so it's my aim and objective that today I will finish the difference between metal and non-metal. This is my objective and it should be clear. ये clear होना चाहिए, मुझे ये खत्म करना है आज. Suppose that if I am not sure that I will complete or not, ये होगा नहीं होगा, और ऐसी situation में if I will enter in my class, so what will happen? मुझे खुद नहीं पता है कि मैं आज इसे कंप्लीट कर पाऊंगी नहीं कर पाऊंगी, क्या होने वाला है मुझे खुद ही नहीं पता है. मैं अपने गोल के बारे में खुद नहीं जानती हूँ मुझे आज क्या करना है. So what will happen inside your classroom? आप बुक उठाओगे, okay, so yesterday we finished this one, okay, so today we will start this one. ये करते रह जाएंगे और हमारा 20 मिनट वेस्ट हो जाएगा. And rest 20 minutes you will get confused and maybe possible you will explain about the metal and you are not able to explain about the non-metal. You are not able to give the different कुछ भी classification example कुछ नहीं दे पाओगे. So content goal, that means aim and objective of your content, it should be clear. Every time it should be clear. Sources. What are the different sources? That means here I am talking about the different materials, the different objects, the different equipment that the teachers use inside his or her classroom. Teaching aids. Yes, teaching aids. So it should be also clear. Sources. आपको क्या teaching aid use करना है? Which teaching aid you will use inside your classroom so that your lesson will be more effective. Student will get benefit. Nowadays it's not time that we will hold one book in our hand and we will read out and the student will understand. No, they will do the same thing in their home also. So they are coming to the school because they know that teacher will teach us by using a different material. Suppose that I am taking an example about a metal and non-metal. So I can bring some metal, some iron pieces, or some rubber, some plastics, and I can differentiate. Look at this. This is metal. This is non-metal. So it will be more effective. So I should also ready with my teaching aids. Next one is structure. That means teaching method. As I told, that different subject we are using a different teaching aids. This is not for same. For science we are using demonstration method. And then sir, okay. And Minerva ma'am, if I think I'm right. In English we are using storytelling generally, role play method. Okay. For maths, sometimes teachers they ask, come and solve this problem, so that the teacher will check their mind. Okay. So structure, that means the different method, the different teaching strategies that we are using, it should be also clear to the teacher. हमें हमेशा clear रहना है. If confusion will be here, so we will not able to give the best thing in front of the student, and they will not get anything. Everything should be clear for the teacher. First हमें clear रहना है कि हमें क्या करना है. हमें clear नहीं तो हम student को कुछ deliver नहीं कर सकते. Next one, quantity, depth. Yes. See, actually what happens sometime, we have to come to the level of the children. हमें बच्चों के level तक जाना पड़ता है. Like Sarika ma'am, A B C D E F G H जो हम पढ़ाते हैं नर्सरी के बच्चों को, the teacher मास्टर डिग्री होल्डर है, तो क्या इसका ये मतलब है कि वो फ्रंट में खड़ी हो जाएगी? This is very simple. Just draw one line and cross here. It will become A. What is B? This is very simple. Just draw one line and make a two semicircle. It will become B. It's very simple. बहुत simple है. ऐसे करके हम लोग नहीं पढ़ा सकते छोटे बच्चों को. ठीक है? So we have to come to their level. हमें ये नहीं सोचना है कि मेरे पास इतनी डिग्रीज है तो I have so much knowledge. We have to come to their level. उनके लेवल तक पहुँचकर हमें उन्हें पढ़ाना है. हमें उनके लेवल तक आना पड़ेगा. So quantity depth, that means we have to come to their level and we have to understand क्या प्रॉब्लम है, where is the problem, कहाँ प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं, and we have to sort out all these problems. Next one is activities. Try to include different activities inside your classroom whenever you are going to teach, whenever you are going to deliver any subject. That's very important, very very important. Because without activity, lecture class generally it's also a good method, but what happens 40 minutes you will give lecture, second teacher will come, she will also give one lecture, again the next teacher will come, he will also give some lecture. So what will happen? Continuously they will listen to you and they will become bored. मैंने जो previous picture दिखाया था, one student bored हो रहा था, that is the reason. Now the session is for 1 hour. If I will take 2-3 hours, or suppose that some another teacher will come and stand and she will again take 2-3 sessions. So initiative तो सबको energy देता है, full energy, we will listen. After 2, after 3, oh my God, बहुत हो गया, थक गया हम. So if हम थक सकते हैं तो बच्चे क्यों नहीं थक सकते? If we will become tired by what is the situation of the student? वो कितने छोटे हैं. So include activities whatever you can. It's not possible for every day we will prepare our activity, but at least for one chapter, for at least 2-3 activities we can definitely include, so that the interest will clear in their mind. Now see, this is another picture. See, only one student is here, so I don't think anybody have any confusion to understand what is the situation of this student. First picture में बहुत सारे student हैं, here only one student. Yes, Pratibha ma'am?
Disorders are there.
The child is confused enough.
Yes, child is confused. It's a simple picture. हम confused होते हैं ना generally, अरे क्या चल रहा है? ठीक है? We are using this. अरे क्या हो रहा है? मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. ठीक है? स्टूडेंट भी कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? और स्टूडेंट क्यों कंफ्यूज है? बिकॉज अगर आपका कंटेंट उन्हें समझ नहीं आया, मैथ्स की टीचर आई, साइंस की टीचर, सोशल साइंस, इंग्लिश, एवरी टीचर्स आर कमिंग एंड दे आर गिविंग देयर subject, their knowledge in different way. But we have to think about the student. हमें अपने बारे में नहीं सोचना. We don't have to focus about ourselves because we know what we can do. We have to think about the children. If you will not present the good content in front of the student, the situation of the children inside your classroom will be same. You will leave the class and the student will stand and they will ask from each other. आप तुमको समझ आया मैम ने क्या बताया? अच्छा तुम्हें बता दूँ. बिकॉज वो अपने फ्रेंड से पूछना ज़्यादा अच्छा समझते हैं अगर आप अपने क्लासरूम में थोड़ा डरावना सिचुएशन बना के रखते हैं. होते हैं कुछ टीचर से बच्चे बहुत डरते हैं. इंटर हुए कि नहीं बच्चे चुपचाप शांत. तो डोंट क्रिएट दिस टाइप ऑफ सिचुएशन इन योर क्लासरूम दैट द स्टूडेंट विल फील फियर फ्रॉम यू. नहीं, ओपन माइंडेड रहने चाहिए सो दैट दे विल आस्क देयर डाउट फ्रॉम यू, नॉट फ्रॉम देयर फ्रेंड्स. ओके. So I hope this picture is also clear. And content management, make your content very well, plan very well before entering your classroom so that the situation will be good of your classroom and the student will get benefit from your lecture. This is the another picture. Here the two types of teacher you can see. One teacher who is holding the book. ठीक है, वो बुक होल्ड किया है. सो टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट दिस वन दैट वन. ओके फाइन. सो यस्टरडे वी फिनिश दिस वन दैट वन. स्टूडेंट अरे अभी तो मैथ के सर गया फिर ये आगे फिर क्या कर रहे हैं? ये होता है. सी द फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट हु इज सिटिंग कान को बंद कर लिया है. एक गया नहीं दूसरा आ गया. अभी इतना स्पीड में स्टार्ट हो गया बुक पकड़ के. सो लुक एट दिस सिचुएशन एंड वी ऑल आर फेसिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ सिचुएशन. हम भी कभी स्टूडेंट थे, हम भी ये सिचुएशन फेस करते थे. बट लुक एट द सेकंड पिक्चर. हियर द टीचर हु इज गाइडिंग द स्टूडेंट, ठीक है, वो गाइड कर रही है स्टूडेंट को. He is moving, he is not standing, he is not holding the books and she is not explaining all this thing from the book. She is moving, she is searching where is the problem. स्टूडेंट को आने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ रही है. So nowadays, according to CBSE training, we have to modify. We have to change our teaching strategies. The old method, the previous day, what we are already done, we should not think about all these things. We have to think about today. We have to change ourselves. According to new education policy, we have to find out the problem among the students. By moving, by guiding them, by talking from the student. आप उनसे बात कीजिए. हो गया सॉल्व? नहीं हुआ? कहाँ प्रॉब्लम है? यहाँ प्रॉब्लम. They will tell you यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है, वो सॉल्व कर दो. बट इफ यू विल स्टैंड लाइक दिस लाइक अ ओल्ड पर्सन, कोई बच्चा पूछेगा भी नहीं. डाउट तो है, सर से नजरें भी नहीं मिलाएं. ऐसा भी होता है क्लास में. आँख बड़े बड़े करके देख दो, बच्चे पीछे बैठे हैं, पूछेंगे तो पता नहीं क्या होगा. सर तो ऐसे ही इतना आँख बड़ा बड़ा करके जरा ही ऐसा होता है. सो मेक योर सेल्फ लाइक दिस, राइट साइड टीचर, not the left side teacher. Classroom topic content. Whenever you are going to deliver, just ask the problem from the student, move and ask and clear their doubt. Next one. Content management is already completed. Now I will start the time management. This is the most important topic for us because every day we are facing problem to manage our time. Time ही नहीं है, किसी चीज़ के लिए टाइम नहीं है. हमेशा यही होता है, अरे वो काम करने का टाइम कहाँ मिला मुझे जो मैं ये काम को कंप्लीट कर सकूँ. वी डोंट हैव द टाइम. डोंट गिव मी दिस वर्क. वी डोंट हैव द टाइम. ये बनाना है, मेरे को काम मत दो, मेरे पास खुद ही टाइम नहीं, इतना सारा काम करने पर. बिकॉज एज ए ह्यूमन वी आर नॉट ओनली टीचर. ओके, वी आर मदर, वी आर सिस्टर, वी आर वाइफ ऑफ सम पर्सन. हमारे पास बहुत सारे रोल्स हैं. टू मैनेज द टाइम इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस. So we should know how we will manage our time. What is the need? What is the important that I will discuss later. But before this, I want to do one activity. Just hold this paper. So who says this? And here are some questions. And I hope you all will solve it. And I will not give you so much time. You have only 2 to 3 minutes because these questions are not tough. No need to search in the Google, no need to search here and there. Write your name in the top of the side. Do it fast, teacher. Because we are going to understand about the time management. So, first of all, write your name at the top of the slide. Yes, the first question. Get up early in the morning. Fast. मैं ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं दूँगी. 2 मिनट में क्वेश्चन आंसर को फिनिश करना है. Yes. You have to write the time. I hope सबको पेपर मिल गया. Okay, those who have the pen, they can write. And those who don't have the pen, they can use their mobile and they can type the time. Okay, you can do this one also. Time लिखना है आपको अपने मोबाइल में. वो हो जाएगा. Okay. The first question, write your time. Get up in the morning. Early morning आप कितने बजे उठते हो? Next. Okay. Next. Quality time with your family. Quality time with your family. That you have to write because I don't know how you are spending your time with your family. See, you have to write the time period because in between 24 hours we are having a lot of the work. We are also spending time with our family, but don't write the time. How much time you are spending with your family? You have to write the time, quality time that you are spending with your family, not the time. फिर तो आप लिख दो कि स्कूल के जाने के बाद तो फैमिली के साथ ही रहते हैं. सारा टाइम तो क्वालिटी टाइम.
How much hours?
How much hour? कितने समय आप spend करते हो? Quality time with your family. This one is counting now. You can write in minute also. It's not like that कि आपको hour ही लिखना है. You can write in minute also, 10 minute, 20 minute. Because quality word is there, so you should understand that जितना time spend करें वो नहीं लिखना है. Quality time जो आप अपने family को देते हो. You can write in minute also. Next one, eat meals. Generally 3 meals तो हम लेते हैं. कितने time spend करते हैं? Breakfast, lunch, dinner. कितने time लगता है? खाने में. ये टाइम अलग अलग होता है. किसी को टीवी देख के खाने की आदत होता है. They will take so much time. क्योंकि उनका सीरियल जब तक ब्रेक ना आए वो निवाले एक तक रहता है. मैंने खुद ऑब्जर्व किया. ये चपाती का टुकड़ा और ब्रेक आ गया. अच्छा क्या था? पता भी नहीं चलता कि सब्जी में गया पानी में गया. ठीक है, ऐसे भी होते हैं. हाँ, इस खाने के टाइम अलग अलग होता है. बहुत जब होता है लेट हो रहा है 2 मिनट में 2 रोटी. Then next one is screen time. That means how much time you are spending in your mobile phone, laptop, for watching all the social Facebook. You having 24 hour. आप 24 hour में कितने hour use करते हैं? स्कूल में भी हम लोग use कर लेते हैं. No, that you will not include because that is comes under your official work. Okay, no need to include your time period. Next one, time for your hobby. Time for your hobby. Sarita ma'am is thinking time ही नहीं बचता है. Okay. Sarita ma'am, the same situation. Okay. Next one, official work.
Full day.
24 hours
appointment.
24 hours appointment.
Right? And write it properly because next I will again ask the question. आप आंसर जो लिख रहे हो, it should be clear because I will ask why you are written this time that much time. फिर आपको बताना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? Next one, self care.
Never.
Official work. Self care.
Never.
And the last one, go to bed at night.
1 p.m.
I hope it's done. Manisha ma'am done. Go to bed. Relax time. Done. Now do one thing. Everyone completed? Exchange your paper. Exchange with anyone.
Last one.
First one is get up in the morning. Second one is quality time with your family. Third one is eat meals. Fourth one is screen time. That means the time you are spending in Facebook and WhatsApp. Time for your hobby. Next one is official work. Next self-care. And the last one is go to bed at night. So generally 24 आवर में यही सब काम करते हैं. I don't think इसके अलावा कुछ और करते होंगे. These are the things. Now exchange your paper. Done.
I don't want to exchange it.
Exchange with Anju sir.
Yes, सच्चाई है in the reality.
प्रवीण मार्क
Want to write something on the board?
yes.
I have permanent marker.
Okay, कब तक आप exchange कर लेंगे? Done. Okay. जब तक मार्कर आ रहा है, check the timetable of your colleague and check your time. आपको तो अपना टाइम याद होगा, ठीक है? Now check your colleague's time. Definitely it will be different from your time. It will never same. Check it. Now I want to ask from Manisha ma'am. Now what is the first answer? Get up in the morning. 4 a.m. And the paper that you got now, what is written? 6:20. See, 2.5 घंटे मनीषा मैम के कंपेयर में दीक्षा मैम लेट होती है, ठीक है? बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है, कोई बात नहीं. नेक्स्ट वन, क्वालिटी टाइम विथ फैमिली. दीक्षा मैम यू आल्सो यू आल्सो.
No time with family.
No time, zero.
Only Sunday for 4 hours.
Okay, Sunday 4 hours. Okay, Manisha ma'am.
Who is this man? Time for your hobby.
No, time for your family, quality time.
After school hours, 6 to 8 hours.
6 to 8 hours. And according to Diksha ma'am, no time. Now see the difference. Huge difference. Next, eat meals. आपको दीक्षा मैम का बताना है, आपको मनीषा मैम का बताना है.
Breakfast, lunch, cooking.
No, for it. Next one, screen time.
3 hours.
Don't include your school online classes.
After school hours, it is
2-3 hours according to Diksha ma'am or according to you? According to you. Diksha ma'am?
According to me, 0 hours.
0 hours. Oh my god. Time for your hobby.
0 hours.
0 hours. Official work.
1 hour.
Official work.
For 1 hour.
Including your school hours.
At home, 1 hour.
Self care.
No self-care.
0. Go to bed.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. But the timing of get up in the morning is different. Okay. Next. Sarika, help them. आपने किसके साथ एक्सचेंज किया? Yes, ma'am. Both of you. Both are the English teacher. The same methods. Yes. The first answer. Sarika ma'am, you will tell everything about the Manisha ma'am. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Minerva ma'am. The first answer. 6 o'clock. Second answer. Yes, quality time is spent with your family. 3 hours. Next one. Eat meals. 20 minutes. Screen time. That means the time you are spending in Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram? 4 hours. And according to Sarika ma'am, Minerva ma'am, one more difference, Madhu ma'am and anybody can stand it.
Sarika ma'am gets up at 5:45 a.m.
5:45.
And family time is 1 hour.
Okay.
And mobile is 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Only 10 minutes.
And screen time.
Okay, fine. See, why I am discussing all these things, because I just want to tell you one thing. Ma'am, please next slide. Till here I hope it's clear that everybody we are different. According to individual difference we learn in our real, we are different. हम किसी से हमारा सोच हमारा कुछ भी मैच नहीं करता है. What I am. मैं जो हूँ मैं हूँ. ठीक है. So definitely the time that you are preparing for your meal, for your family, it will be definitely different. Okay. Next slide. Now see, time is same for everyone. That is 24 hours in a day. It's clear? Normal सा question है, normal science है सब जानते हैं. Time is same for everyone. That is 24 hours in day. God ने किसी को extra time दिया है? कभी भी? God ने किसी को extra time दिया? No. We have 24 hours. सारिका मैम को भी 24 hours मिला. दीक्षा मैम 24 hours. मनीषा मैम 24 hours. सारिका ढल मैम 24 hours. संगीता मैम, मालिनी मैम, everyone. We all are getting 24 hours in a day. But it's up to us that how we will manage our time. See, can we manage the time or we need to manage ourselves? When we are not able to finish any work which is assigned by anyone, so that time we are start thinking time ही नहीं मिला. आपको टाइम नहीं मिला तो उन्हें टाइम कैसे मिला? गॉड ने तो सबको इक्वल टाइम दिया. That we have to think. We are not able to finish my topic. Suppose that exam is coming and student syllabus is not finished. That time you will give the excuse that this is, I'm using word excuse because according to this slide I just want to tell you we all have the 24 hours and we are not using our time properly, and that is the reason we are not able to finish our work on time, because we all have the 24 hours and we have lot of the work. कोई ऐसे नहीं है यहाँ पे जो फैमिली मेम्बर से बिलोंग नहीं करते. सबको अपने फैमिली को टाइम देना है, सोशल मीडिया में टाइम देना है. ठीक है. बट कहाँ हम मिस्टेक करते हैं, दैट आई विल टेल यू लेटर, सो दैट वी आर नॉट एबल टू मैनेज आवर टाइम एंड वी आर नॉट एबल टू फिनिश आवर वर्क ऑन टाइम एंड वी आर लिसनिंग. होता है. रिपोर्ट कार्ड कल है, सुबह सर विल स्टार्ट सर. मैम आपका रिपोर्ट कार्ड नहीं आया, पहले विल सबमिट योर रिपोर्ट कार्ड. टुमारो इज द वी हैव टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द रिपोर्ट कार्ड. सर मेरे को ये था वो था, I have lot of the work, I am not able to finish. Then Subodh sir will tell you, finish it now and send it within a 1 hour, and you will definitely do it. Within a 1 hour you will finish your report card and you will send it to Subodh sir. But that 1 hour वो आप पहले यूज नहीं कर पाते, because we are not thinking about our priorities. That is the reason. So what we have to do? Can we manage the time or we need to manage ourselves? We need to manage ourselves, so that like the another colleague or the another human being, anybody, those who are able to finish their work on time, we will also able to finish our work time. We will also finish our syllabus on time. Everything we will finish our time if we will manage ourselves, not the time, because time is equal for everyone. God is not given extra time to any person. Those who is rich, those who is poor, ऐसा तो नहीं कि वो rich है तो उसे हमें 25 आवर दे रहा हूँ, जो poor है उसे मैं 20 आवर दे रहा हूँ. No, वो God ने हमें equal time दिया है, and we all having our brain. The thing is that we have to manage ourselves so that we can manage everything. Next one. What is time management? Time management is an art. It is arranging, organizing, and budgeting time for the purpose of accomplishing goal within a time period. The thing I discussed here now, that when you will achieve your goal on time, when you will utilize your time properly, when you will think about your work, that this work is assigned today and we have to finish it tomorrow. One more question I want to ask Amma, where is the marker? Suppose that I will give you one work. What is the time now?
9:22 a.m.
9:20. Okay. tomorrow I will tell you, you have to give me any work जो मैंने आपको send किया, you have to submit it tomorrow by 10 a.m. and it's compulsory for everyone. So now, write in a paper how much time you have to finish this assignment. ये assignment finish करने के लिए आपके पास कितना समय है? Fast. According to Pratima ma'am, 24 hour ma'am? 24 hour 40 minutes. Okay, sir? The same question is for you. Suppose that I will give you any assignment now, 9:20 a.m. It's the time. You have to submit it tomorrow by 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. a.m. is written here very clearly. So how much time you have to finish your work?
24 hours 40 minutes.
24 hour 40 minutes. Malini ma'am, according to you. Aparna ma'am, according to you. कितना समय लगेगा? कल अगर मुझे सबमिट करना है. अच्छा सर, आप बता दीजिए. सारी क्या है?
complete as soon as possible.
22 hour 40 minutes. That I want. Okay, Anjan sir.
That is 22 or 40 minutes. Yes.
The same. Okay, this is the answer. Sapak ma'am. This is very simple. If today I will assign any work, tomorrow you have to submit it at 10 a.m. So how much time you have to complete this work? कितना समय है? मधु मैम?
24 hours.
24 hours. Manisha ma'am? 24 hours. So I got here. See, my question is same I think for everyone. That I will assign you one work on 9:20 and you have to submit it tomorrow by 10 a.m. But the answer are different. You have noticed the same question you will ask from your student and they will give you a different answer. And that time you will shout on them. Now according to me, all these answers are wrong. You don't have the 24 hour, you don't have 24 hour 40 minutes, you don't have 22 hour to finish your work. Just see, अभी मैंने आपको टास्क दिया था ना, राइट? आप कब उठते हैं? Write your time that you are spending with your family, quality time, your hobby time. So just think, if you will waste your 24 hour on my work, मैंने जो assign किया है, तो आप सोओगे कब, उठोगे कब, नहाओगे कब, खाओगे कब, स्कूल कब आओगे? ये बोल दीजिएगा रिंकी मैम ने काम दिया था. Sir, we want to come to this school, but Rinki ma'am gave one assignment and we are engaged. No, you have to do everything. That I want to tell you. Within a 24 hour, you have to do everything. ऐसा नहीं कि किसी ने कोई work assignment कर दिया तो I will take 24 hour to complete this. No. 24 hour, 22 hour, 22 hour. Basically, if I will tell you, I think we will engage only for 1 hour. Maybe. That is also depend upon your assignment. जो assignment मिला, जो work मिला, वो कैसा?
Speed of work. आप किस स्पीड से कर रहे हो
हाँ.
work को?
And that is also vary from person to person. The same work I will give it to Malini ma'am, the same work I will give to Anjan sir, the same work I will give to Sarika ma'am. But we are not able to finish it on time. So these all are the wrong answer. Okay? Because we are the human being. We can't give 24 hours for one work. So to achieve your goal, you have to plan everything. How much time I have to do here, give here, how much time I have to give here, how much time I have to give here. Next one. See, these are some lines about time management. Time management requires self-discipline, self-mastery and self-control more than anything else. Okay, time management requires only self-discipline, self-mastery and self-control, not more than another thing. One is either run the day or the day runs you. It's happened generally. Same question. One more work I will assign you today and I will tell you that you will submit on next week the same day. Today is Wednesday, Friday. Now, as everybody doing, I am also doing the same thing. Friday को जमा करना है. आज Friday है. कितना समय है? बहुत समय. We have lot of the time. अभी तो फ्राइडे जमा करना है। सी हाँ, हमारा कितना दूर हम सोचते हैं, फ्राइडे जमा करना है, ठीक है। एंड वी विल नॉट सी द वर्क व्हाट इज असाइन्ड टू अस, नहीं देखना हमें क्या मिला है, देखेंगे ना बहुत टाइम, ठीक है। फाइनली व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन द संडे विल कम, यू विल स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट योर वर्क, क्या हमें वर्क मिला है। मंडे यू विल थिंक कब करें, अच्छा कल करते हैं। इन स्टूडेंट लाइफ वी आर ऑल्सो डूइंग द सेम थिंग। एग्जाम में कल पढ़ने बैठेंगे, आज पढ़ रहे हैं पहले से भी, बट जो प्रिपरेशन वन डे बिफोर होता है ना, वो प्रिपरेशन पूरे साल भर नहीं होता, ठीक है। ये होता है, हम भी स्टूडेंट थे। सो आइदर रन द डे, अदरवाइज द डे विल रन यू, ठीक है। फिर क्या होगा, थर्सडे आएगा एंड देन यू विल स्टार्ट थिंकिंग, ओ माय गॉड टुमारो वी हैव टू सबमिट, बैठो करना है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वन, टाइम इज नॉट द मेन थिंग, इट इज द ओनली थिंग। डोंट थिंक टाइम इज द मेन थिंग, दिस इज द ओनली थिंग। Like you are saving your money, trying to save your time so that you can utilize your time properly. One more, lack direction, not lack time is the problem. We all have 24 hours in a day. That means lack of direction. हम अपने direction से divert होते हैं. We are operating our mobile phone. Just tell me, Sapak ma'am, suppose that you want to use your mobile phone. ठीक है? What are the status? I just want to see status तो सभी देखते हैं. ठीक है? You think that I will use on it for 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes. 2 minutes I think it's enough to see all the status, or maybe suppose that 5 minutes. But when you will hold your mobile phone, क्या आप 5 minutes के लिए बैठते हैं?
It's not. Basically, we always hold our phone and continuously just scrolling all the.
We are not sure that when we will.
The time will be more.
Time is more. Madhu ma'am? Suppose that you think that now I will use the mobile phone only for 5 minutes. Exactly you using your mobile for 5 minutes? No, more than 5 minutes. So it's the same thing, lack of the direction. We are misusing our time in another field. And the work, the assignment which is given to us, we are not focusing on that. And the last moment we will tell that we don't have the time, how we will finish it. We are not thinking about our lacking point. Where we are lacking? What is the problem? Why we are not able to finish our work but the next colleague is ready with their work? उनका कंप्लीट हो गया, मेरा नहीं हुआ. Why? The reason is that only lack of the direction. Lack of the direction is the problem because God given us 24 hours. Next slide. Purpose of time management. See in the bracket it is written self-management. Time management, that means we are going to manage ourselves. The first one is stress. Managing time well can prevent much of the stress we are subject to. One session, I think it was taken by Malini ma'am, stress management. Okay, why stress are creating in our mind? Have you ever think about that? Why stress is here? The problem is that we are not able to manage our time. We are not able to finish our work time on time. That is the reason the stress is coming here. We are also focusing about the last day. Generally it's happened. I am telling you very clearly. Generally it's happened. It's happened with me also. अगर मुझे 10 दिन का टाइम मिला है किसी काम को खत्म करने के लिए, so first day I will feel relaxed. Okay, after 10 days I have to submit. So I have enough time. And on the 9th of day or 8th day, I will start. Oh my God, only 2 days is left. How I will finish one? And automatically the stress will develop in your mind. So, what is the purpose to time management? To relieve your stress. Stress nahi lana. Balance. Good time habits can enable us to achieve a more balanced life with adequate time and energy for work, home, family, self. If you will manage your time very nicely, so automatically you will give productivity. If you can become more effective with your time, you automatically increase your productivity. See, what you are doing, it's not आप क्या करें नहीं करें दिन भर में हमें उससे कोई मतलब नहीं रहता है. हमें जो आपसे चाहिए वो हमें चाहिए. That means product. It should be good. Next one, goals. To make progress towards achieving your personal and professional goal, you need to available time. Nothing can be done when you are out of time. If you will lose your time, if you today is the last day, if you will submit it tomorrow, the same thing you are doing, but you are late. See, need for the time management. These are the different need for the time management. It helps to optimize your use time to achieve your personal and professional goal. It helps you to perform tasks with a planned and thoughtful action. lesson. It helps you to work smart and not work hard. See, nowadays we have to work smartly, not hard. दिन भर नहीं पड़े रहना किसी वर्क को लेके. Think how we will plan, how we will do, how we will save our time. Next, it helps in determining priorities. Priorities is the most important thing. If you don't know about your priorities, what we have to do, definitely you will lose everything. It gives you sense of purpose and direction. It helps you to become a proactive. See, why do we, I written one more word here, teacher, need to time management. As a teacher, what are the reason why we should manage our time? The reason is that time is valuable resource to effective learning. If you will use your time properly, your learning strategies, everything will be smoothly run and it will be more effective. Next one, the teacher has limited time and has to achieve curricular activities within his allotted time. I don't think anybody have they are getting more than 40 minutes for one period. Everybody get the same time period. So manage your time. Okay, the time is very limited. Manage your time properly so that you will achieve your curricular objectivity. That is our main purpose and that is the reason we all are coming here. Extra time spent on one subject means less time available for the other subject. If you are spending more time, the another teacher is standing in front of the gate and she is calling you, ma'am, मेरा period है. That time you will tell, ma'am, only 5 minutes. If you are using her 5 minutes, definitely the another teacher she will lose her 5 minutes. So you don't do this type of work. Prepare your plan. Well, why you will take extra time? Because you are taking extra time. But what happened? The another teacher lost her 5 minutes. It may be possible she is not able to finish her work जो उसने plan करके आया. It will definitely disturb. The amount of time that learners are engaged in instructional activities is positively associated with their academic achievement. The impact of effective use of time depends on the extent to which the individual teacher manages and uses the classroom time. We should always use our classroom time properly. Don't disturb the other teacher and give your things in a proper way, in a proper time. These are the some time management tips. First thing, set goals correctly. सबसे पहले तो अपने goals को आप correctly set कीजिए. What is your aim? Why you are coming here? Why you are coming here inside the classroom by holding this book? What is the reason? If your goal will be clear, definitely you will achieve everything and the children will also listen to you. Next one, priorities wisely. Very sure कि आपको priorities किस work को देना है, किसको नहीं देना है. अगर आपने priorities किसी गलत डायरेक्शन में दे दिया है, then you are not able to finish your work. You are not able to give the proper education to the children. Set a time limit for everyone. Set a time limit. बस ऐसे सो जाना कर रहे 2 घंटा हो गया 3 घंटा हो गया कर ही रहे हैं. No, set the time limit. If I have to finish the process, I will set the time limit. Within a 1 hour I have to complete. It may be possible the 1 hour will convert into 1.5 hours. That doesn't problem. But don't sit with your process with the whole day. Okay. This is one example that I am taking. Take a break between the tasks. It's happens generally जब continuously आप work कर रहे हो ना तो आप थक जाते हो और उसके बाद आपका mind ना slowly काम करना start करता है. So take a little bit break inside the चाय पी लीजिए. That is the best thing. थोड़ा टहल लीजिए, ठीक है, फैमिली मेंबर से बात कर लीजिए, स्टेटस ही देख लीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. But take a breaks. Okay. Organize yourself. Remove non-essential tasks and plan ahead. Well organize yourself. Remove the non-essential tasks which is unnecessary. Remove all these things. And plan ahead. As a teacher, you should always plan ahead. One step पहले plan करके रखना है, ठीक है? Next, to-do list. Always try to make the to-do list every day. For every week, you can make the to-do list. Now you can see here, it is written priority, due date, what, who, in progress, and done. If you will make the to-do list, what will happen? You will write everything, and you are very clear. Your aims is very clear. Your goals is very clear. That what we have to do. If your work is finished, put the tick mark in the done column. If your work is going on, put the tick mark on the in progress. ठीक है? इससे क्या होगा? You will know that कहाँ तक मेरा काम पहुँचा है. And the next step when you will sit, no need to search whether they क्या किए थे नहीं किए थे. And according to this to-do list, you are able to give the priority. You will able to use your 24 hour properly. इसको कितना समय देना है. Next one. From goals and priorities. Priorities कैसे सेट किया जाता है? See, what is the important and what is not. First you have to think what is the order I need to do the thing. Once you know what are your priorities, you need to plan out a schedule for the month, week or a day. Planning is very important. It may be difficult for the first time, but when you will familiar with this, it become very easy for you. होता है पहली बार जब आप टू डू लिस्ट बनाओगे ना आपको बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा, अरे एक तो उसको बनाने के लिए बैठते हैं तो मेरा टाइम चला जाता है, ऐसा भी होता है. But no, it will help you, it will guide you to make your 24 hour in a better way, to use your 24 hour in a better way. Next. See, urgent, not urgent, important, not important. Sometimes it happens the student and even all the people, they are thinking that important or urgent same word. Sarika, these are same word. Important and urgent? No, these are different. Now, how it's different? See, urgent and important, that means it is the work that you have to do first. आपको पहले करना है. जब आपने टू डू लिस्ट बनाते हो ना, make sure you should know about your work, which you have to do first, which is your urgent work, which is your important work. Next one is urgent but not important. This type of work you can neglect for few time. Next column, important not urgent. This type of work you can do later. आप बाद में भी ऐसे कामों को कर सकते हो. So when you are making your to-do list, mention all these things and be clear. Clear रहिए. Which one is urgent, which one is important, which one is not important, and which one is not urgent. Then your timetable that you will make, it will be perfect and you will work according to your timetable. Eliminate. These are the work which is not urgent, not important. Like watching status, watching Instagram, and watching the unnecessary videos through which we think that हम entertainment करें. So you can ignore all these things. अगर आपको कोई काम का burden है, you have a lot of the pressure to complete any work, and you will use your WhatsApp status, Instagram, unuseless video you all will see. So what will happen? You will not use your time quality पर. आप quality तो time spend नहीं कर पा रहे हो ना. So whenever you are making to-do list, clear about all these things. Which is urgent, which is important, which is not urgent, and which is not important. Next. See, these are the some examples through which I think it will clear. Pressing problem. This is urgent and important. Like I am taking one example about the report card. Pressing. Okay. Pressing problems. Report card आपको कल है तो anyhow you have to take out the printout today. So this is this pressure. So this is comes under urgent and important work. Next one is urgent but not important. Like email. ईमेल आया है, जरूरी नहीं कि इमीडिएटली आपको देखना है. यू कैन सी लेटर ऑल्सो. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन नॉट अर्जेंट बट इम्पॉर्टेंट. लाइक प्लानिंग, प्रिपरेशन, पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट. दीज आर नॉट अर्जेंट बट दीज आर ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. लाइक मनीषा मैम ने कहा कि मेरे पास समय नहीं मिलता अपने लिए. दीक्षा मैम एंड एवरीवन दे से अपने लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता. बट दिस टाइप ऑफ वर्क इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. ऑफकोर्स दिस इज नॉट अर्जेंट बट दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. द नेक्स्ट वन इज वेस्ट, अवॉइड. So which is not urgent and which is not important. This type of work, please ignore this type of work if you are having a lot of pressure in your mind to complete your, to achieve your goal. You can ignore this one also. Yes. Classroom time management. Efficient use of time in helping student to achieve learning goals and making classroom pleasant place for the teacher and the student. Classroom time management, if you will manage your class very well, so it will be effective for teacher as well as student. Next one. These are the classroom time, available time, allotted time, engaged time, academic learning time, pacing, transition time. This classroom time management. Set goals. Your aims should be set before entering your classroom. Otherwise, you will waste your 40 minutes. Make schedule. क्या क्या करना है? Make it. Revisit, reflect, and revise your plan. Whenever you will finish your work, you have to revise your plan. एक बार आप उसे देख लीजिए जो आपने प्लान किया है, that is okay or not. You will definitely, it may be possible if you are a very good, बहुत अच्छे हैं तो आपने बहुत अच्छा प्लान किया होगा. But sometimes when you will check, recheck, you will find out some mistake and you can modify it. Next, these are the various tips managing classroom time. Make student aware of learning objective for the day to try remaining focused to that. Being flexible and resetting. आपने जो syllabus बनाया, आपने जो content बनाया, try to फ्लेक्सिबल विद देम. उससे साथ फ्लेक्सिबल रहिए. बिकॉज सिचुएशन क्या क्रिएट होगा क्लास में वो आप नहीं जानते. तो कंटेंट को बहुत रिजिड नहीं बनाना. यू हैव टू फ्लेक्सिबल विद दैट सो दैट यू कैन मॉडिफाई अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन. गिव प्रॉपर इंस्ट्रक्शन टू अवॉइड द वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम. ऑलवेज कीप एन आई ऑन द पासेस ऑफ टाइम ड्यूरिंग द क्लासेस. Assess the success of lesson plan after each class and adapt for the next week. Try to maximize the academic learning time of the students. Remember, when students participate actively, they become success learning activities. Student अगर participate करते हैं अपने classroom में, that means your aims and objective definitely it will be fulfilled. See, before the class, what the teacher should do, it is I written here. The first one is before the class, identify your learning objective. सबसे पहले तो आप अपने learning objective पे identify कीजिएगा आपको करना क्या है, ठीक है? Then next, plan the specific learning activities. Create a realistic timeline. Plan for a lesson closure. These are the things that you have to do before the class. Between the class, what you will do, share the lesson plan with your student. Helps keep them to more engaged on track. And after the class, you have to reflect on what worked well and why and what you could have done differently. See, this is the very important 40 minutes for a teacher. How you will utilize it. Generally, what we are wasting our 5 minutes when we are entering our classroom to set out all these things. Don't do this thing. Greeting the and recalling the previous day's topic. Enter कीजिए previous topic पूछिए. Automatically the children will engage. They will take out their notebook. They will take out their book and they will sit properly. Next one. Next 5 minute introduction to the topic and framing ground rules. The topic that we are going to give the introduction about that topic. 25 minutes of the classroom without interruption. See, without interruption, give your 25 minutes proper. Give your content to the student. If suppose the two students are fighting, don't waste your time. That time what you will do? Separate both the student. आप इधर बैठो, आप उधर बैठो. ठीक है? उस टाइम उसके प्रॉब्लम को सॉर्ट आउट नहीं करना. Because this 25 minutes is very important for a teacher to give the content. अगर हम क्लासरूम की कंटेंट भी नहीं डिलीवर किए तो क्लासरूम हमारा वेस्ट चला गया. Next, last 5 minutes, encourage children to ask question to clarify their doubt. Last के 5 minutes क्या करना है? स्टूडेंट को encourage करना है. Please ask your doubt. क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं होगा. गलत बोलोगे ना, कोई बात नहीं. ठीक है? Encourage your student so that they will ask their doubt. Next one. See, this is a picture of one movie. I hope you all are familiar with this movie. Can you tell me? Do you know the character? Yes. And the next one is movie Hichki. See, both are the teacher profession in their field, but both are different. Virus, the famous name, Viru Sahasra. So, he always focus on the content. ठीक है? वो अपने ढंग से पढ़ाना चाहते थे. He never want to ask the problem of the student. Even one student ने suicide किया था उस मूवी में. क्यों? क्योंकि वो टाइम पर काम खत्म नहीं कर पाया. So, as a professor, as a teacher, we should ask the student what is the problem, why you are not able to finish your work. Don't create this type of situation that the student will feel very embarrassed and next time when you will enter in your classroom, they don't want to discuss anything in front of you. Don't make yourself like this. I don't want to show this image ये बताने के लिए कि ये बहुत बुरा है. I just want to show the role of the teacher inside our classroom with our student. And the second one, Rani Mukherjee. He always spending the time with his or her student and he always asks the problem. And students are very friendly with her and the result is the object is very productive. बहुत productive वे में आया था और सारे बच्चे का अच्छा है. Reason क्या था? यही था. One big character of this movie चतुर जो हमें से रटता था. तो पढ़ाई ऐसे भी नहीं करना है. Don't learn the things like this. आप जिस वक्त को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं आपको वो सोचना है कि थ्योरी आपने लर्न कर लिया. But when you will apply this theory, where you will apply this theory? So don't read like this. Yes. Advantage of time management. These are the advantage of time management. Reduction in stress level. Provide focus on the task. Decrease procrastination. Again, self-confidence. A way to the goal. Challenge your productivity. Have an instinct for achievement. Time to relax and do recreational activities. Financial soundness. These are the advantages. If you will manage your time, you will achieve all these things. Disadvantage of time management. Wasted time. आप अगर टाइम मैनेजमेंट अच्छे से यूटिलाइज नहीं कर पाएंगे, so these are the disadvantages that I want to tell you. In CBSE training it's not given, but I just want to tell you because manage your time. Otherwise this will happen. Always you will wasted time, lack of delegation, loss of control, poor quality of work. जब आप बहुत लेट होते हो तो आपके वर्क की क्वालिटी में इफेक्ट दिखता है. वो सही नहीं आता है. वो बिल्कुल सही नहीं आता. मतलब कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ आप कर दो. एग्जाम हॉल में खोल के बैठे हैं. So they are learning from us also sometimes. So next one is poor reputation. Poor reputation. If you will submit your work always late. होता है ना क्लासरूम में भी इस बच्चे का वर्क कभी टाइम पे नहीं आता, उसका poor reputation हो जाता है, हमारा भी हो जाता है. If you will not finish your work on time. These are the suggestions to improve your time management. Increase your allotted time. Allotted time को increase कीजिए. Increasing engaged time. Engaged time को जितना हो सके increase कीजिए. Increasing academic learning time. See, academic learning time is very important, so increase patient curriculum and lesson and decrease the transition time. Transition time means when we are conducting any activity, वो activity से हमें lesson तक आने में बहुत time लग जाता है. So decrease this, इसे कम कीजिए, so that you will not lose your time. Next ma'am. See, using the time that you have available as productively as possible, working smarter, not harder. The same thing I repeat once again. As possible as use your time properly. Don't work hard, work smartly. Time management is the life management. If you want to manage your time properly, you will manage your life. एक ही क्लासरूम में बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं, ठीक है, कोई बहुत अच्छे पोजीशन में और कोई नॉर्मल से कुछ काम कर रहा है. Why? The same teacher teaching them. The same thing is happening with her or him. Why the situations are different? Only due to this. Time management is the life management. Manage your life, manage your time. Next. See, let's manage ourselves to utilize the time in the best possible manner. The last thing that I want to tell you, manage yourself and utilize the time in the best possible manner. Thank you so much. I hope you don't have any problem to understand this topic. There are some slides that I include. If anybody have any doubt, they can ask. Okay, thank you so much.
I would like to call Malini ma'am. Please come on the stage and tell few lines on today's session. Please, Malini ma'am, come on the stage.
Thank you, Nikita. As today we have learned about content and time management, how she has explained all these things and how can we implement it in our content and time management during the classes, during planning of the lesson plan and all. So बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मैम ने कहा, समझाया और उम्मीद करते हैं हम सारे टीचर्स इसको अच्छी तरह से फॉलो करेंगे हमारे बेटे स्कूल के अच्छे परफॉर्मेंस के लिए. थैंक यू ऑडियंस.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you everyone.